Hello everyone, welcome to the Bohemian Dreamer and welcome to another unboxing episode. So actually because of COVID and lockdown and everything, I cannot travel right now and I am not encouraging you to travel. So that is why I am going to post about my passion and my passion projects. Those are mostly reading and books. So you will be seeing more of this later. Today I will be unboxing a box set sent to me by Worthing.in. So they are this super affordable book company. They sent you pre-loved books as well as new books and you get them in such a good price. Like you will be astonished if you see them. Okay, so I'll be sharing some screenshots, some screen recordings about their website in here. If you are interested to buy books, if you are interested to check out pre-loved books or books in cheaper rate, you know, books are really expensive if you try to buy all new books, so that is not always possible. So if you want to buy cheaper books, they are really the way to go. They have box sets in 400, 500, 600 like that. You can buy mixed genres book, you can buy whatever genre you like. You can even select your selection of books and send it to them and you can buy that as well. So there are many options available. There is a comic section as well. You can buy comics in a bundle as well. So there is that and so many more other options. They have been kind enough to send me a box set and I am going to unbox that, and that is a mixed genre set and that is 10 books for 499 and I am really excited to see those. So Worthing has sent me these 10 books which is of mixed genre and it is of rupees 499. There are offers like you get to buy 30 books for 999 as well. So that is, I think, a super steal deal. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, let me tell you that I post this kind of steal deals once a while and you will be loving those if you are into books. And if you are into travel, as soon as situation improves, I am promising you I'll be traveling so much that you will be loving to be on my channel all the time. So if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. And without any further ado, let's get started. The first book we have here is Unhooked by Munmun Ghosh and it is in perfectly good quality. So many people had so many good things to say about this one. This talks about a 30-something woman's journey to find love without any physical intimacy and I am really excited to read this one. The next book we have Reloading Health by Dr. Nilima Jain. It has a slightly yellowish edge. This is a book on Ayurveda and going back to our roots, holding hands of science and reloading our health. The third book here we have is Elizabeth I by Margaret George. This is a little torn on the back cover, but that's okay. This is about Elizabeth Tudor, history's most enigmatic queen. The next one here we have is Those in Peril by Wilbur Smith. This has a very slight yellowish edge. This is a story of pirates kidnapping a girl and people trying to save her. I'll post a detailed review on this one later in my Instagram. Next we have Hexagon by Ishan Lalit and it is almost new. This is a really interesting sci-fi number. We'll post a detailed review in my Insta later. The next one here we have is Animal Farm by George Orwell and it feels new. It's by George Orwell. Should I explain more? Again, I will post a detailed review on this one. So keep your eyes open in Insta. The next one we have here is One Indian Girl by Chetan Bhagat and it is also almost new. This is a story of a girl really bad at decision making. I will not say anything more about it now. I'll post another review. The next one is Faith Renewed by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. This is new and has a very little yellowish edge. I am mostly looking forward to reading this one. Of course, it's a non-fiction philosophical read and again the review will be up on my Instagram. Last but not the least, we have Body Goddess by Payal Girwani Tiwari. This is almost new. This is a book on health and yoga which I am really interested in. If you haven't checked out my yoga video, I'll put up a card over here for the same. The last one here is Will You Still Love Me by Ravinder Singh. This seems almost new. It's a love story but hopefully it is not the usual sappy ones. I'll post a detailed review about it later in my Instagram. So please follow me in there and we'll have some real interesting chat about books. So So that's it for today, folks. I hope you have enjoyed this session. If you have any questions regarding the Worthing.in processes and their business or anything, you can ask me in the comment box below, and the link for their site will be available in the description box below. Be sure to check that out. You can also follow them in Instagram, and you can also follow me in Instagram. I provide book reviews almost every day, which you will love to read. I mean, everyone does. You'll love to read those. So please follow me on Instagram, and if you want to know anything else, please comment down in the comment box, and we'll meet soon in another video. Until then, stay well and keep dreaming. Bye.